Why Samsung just did that? Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Oh Samsung, what have you done? We are starting getting more and more news regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and it seems like they are confirmed. And this could possibly not the phone for Galaxy Z Fold 3 users. Samsung will going to launch Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August if everything goes well and there will be no chip shortage. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 internals are confirmed and it may disappoint some of you, and same happened to me when I get this news. Although things like internal display is getting better, but not to an extent where we see a real difference. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Do you think this much battery is enough for Galaxy Z Fold 4? According to the Ice Universe, where he shared an article stating that Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have the same 4400 mAh battery, a big mistake that Samsung is really doing again with Galaxy Z Fold 4. Although Samsung 8 Gen 1 Plus will be optimized, but optimization is not enough. And that is what we all see since Galaxy S22 Ultra cannot hold for long with its 5000 mAh battery. There will be two batteries that attach will going to give you a power of total 4270 mAh and it will be marketed as 4400 mAh as stated in the article from Galaxy Club. He also stated that Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be lighter and thinner, and this leads to us our second point where Samsung is going to use single hinge design. Remember, don't expect really small. This difference is very small and even in some cases not even noticeable. The inner display will get changed from 7.55 inches to 7.56 inches and a change in aspect ratio, where Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes with 5:4 but Fold 4 comes with a square design. And Ice Universe shares a picture where he also claims that this cannot be 100% guaranteed, but this can also happen, and the difference is very minimal, where the right side of Galaxy Z Fold 4 is slightly smaller and more square to the shape, having a more width than the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Meanwhile, Samsung is predicting a record sales for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 almost twice compared to the last year Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3. And that is why Samsung is increasing the July production to double of its size compared to the last year as stated by Ross Young. In his latest tweet, he also claims that Samsung is boosting capacity for Echo 2. We can expect more foldable phone models next year, and possibly world's ever rollable phone from Samsung, but it is not confirmed. And we may see a small price cut on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, standing at $1699, almost $100 less than its predecessor Galaxy Z Fold 3. Battery will be a big disappointment for people since Galaxy Z Fold 3 was also not that good, but other features like Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, new under-display camera, new ultra-thin glass, and possibly a smaller phone can make a deal for you. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, do you think this battery is enough for Galaxy Z Fold 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.